Property taxes are a cornerstone of municipal income. These taxes are like the lifeblood that keeps our city's heart beating. If you're a homeowner or business owner within city limits, you're probably already familiar with property taxes. But have you ever wondered how they're calculated? It's all tied to the value of your property. The higher the value, the more you pay. And it's not just about owning a piece of land or a building. The value can also be influenced by things like improvements or additions made to the property. Now, where does this money go? It's channeled back into our city, funding various services that we often take for granted. Think about all those potholes on the roads that need fixing, or the public schools that need resources to provide quality education. These taxes fund everything from road repairs to public schools, playing a pivotal role in making our city a better place to live. Sales taxes are another key source of revenue. Now let's break down how this works. Every time you purchase an item within the city, a small percentage of the price is added as sales tax. This tax is collected by the businesses you shop at and then passed on to the Municipal Corporation. But why are sales taxes so important? Well, they form a significant part of the city's funding. These taxes are a bit like the invisible threads connecting your everyday purchases to the city's growth and development. When you buy a book, a piece of clothing, or even a cup of coffee, you're contributing to the city's revenue. And what does the city do with this revenue? It's used to fund essential services and amenities. Think about the public transportation that gets you to work, the parks where you take your Sunday strolls, or the public libraries offering free resources. It's how they pay for public transportation, parks, and more. Licenses and fees are also in the mix. From the food truck on your corner to the high-rise office building downtown, businesses of all sizes contribute to the city's income through various types of licenses and fees. Whether it's a permit to sell street food, a license to serve alcohol, or the fee to operate a taxi service. These costs are a crucial part of the city's revenue stream. Operating a business within city limits often requires adherence to specific regulations, and these licenses and permits ensure compliance while also generating income. Fees collected for public utilities, parking fines, or even pet licensing add to this mix. These funds might seem small individually, but collectively, they amount to a substantial part of the city's budget. This income helps fund public services, maintain infrastructure, and support the city's ongoing growth and development. In essence, every business plays a role in shaping the city's future. It's all part of what keeps the city vibrant and growing. Municipalities aren't on their own. They have a host of options to supplement their income, and one of the most significant is grants. Grants from state and federal governments are like a financial boom. They help fund big-ticket projects, whether it's renovating a historic building, upgrading public infrastructure, or initiating a new environmental program. But it's not just about government support. Enter public-private partnerships, a unique collaboration where private sector entities bring their resources to the table. These partnerships can lead to the development of new parks, improved transportation systems, and even the construction of public facilities. It's about leveraging the strengths and resources of both the public and private sectors to make our cities better places to live, work, and play. So, the next time you marvel at a new pedestrian bridge or enjoy the amenities of a revitalized downtown, remember the role of grants and partnerships. Public-private partnerships bring in private investment for development projects, making the city even better. State and federal aid plays a crucial role. It's like a financial safety net, swooping in to support cities when they need it most. This aid typically comes into play for specific projects that are beyond the scope of the city's regular budget. Think of large-scale undertakings like road repairs, building bridges, or disaster recovery. It's not just about the big stuff though. State and federal aid can also help fund public services, such as education and healthcare, contributing to the quality of life in the city. But let's not forget about those unexpected situations. When a city faces a crisis, like a natural disaster or a public health emergency, that's when this aid becomes a lifeline. It helps cities bounce back and recover, ensuring that services continue and residents are taken care of. It's a helping hand to keep things running smoothly.